Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best kids' toys is probably one of the most exciting things for kids, but it can also be a challenge to find the right ones. In this video, we're diving into the world of kids' toys, helping you discover fantastic options without breaking the bank. We'll explore a variety of toys, from educational games to creative kits, ensuring your kids have a blast while you save money. Number 5. Original Slinky 2.75-inch diameter metal spring toy. Introducing the iconic Original Slinky. This classic toy has delighted generations. It's the perfect way to spark creativity. Remember the iconic slinkity sound? This sound adds rhythm and educational exploration to playtime. It's a sound that brings joy. Sized perfectly for little hands, this toy encourages imaginative play. It's easy to hold and perfect for hours of fun. From stretching to walking, this toy offers endless entertainment. It's a great way for families to play together. Collect multiple Slinky toys for even more fun. Each one is sold separately, so you can build your collection. What we like. This toy is an iconic walking spring with a classic sound. It encourages imaginative play and provides hours of entertainment. If you like classic toys that spark creativity and fun, this is a great choice. What people say. This Slinky is great quality, has a good weight to it, and provides endless fun. Even if you don't have a staircase, you can put it down a hill or even build up a cardboard staircase or use some books to watch it slink down. It's perfectly great as a Slinky toy. Number 4. Lite Brite Classic, retro toy for creative kids. Introducing the Lite Brite Classic. This retro toy lets you create amazing art with light. It's a fun and engaging way to spark your creativity. This set comes with 206 glowing pegs in 6 vibrant colors. Use them to bring your imagination to life. The possibilities are endless with this toy. Follow the included templates or design your own masterpieces. There's a boat, a unicorn, and more to get you started. It's easy to create something amazing. Switch between 4 different light modes to make your art shine. The display is fun and brilliant. You can customize the look of your artwork. The battery-powered LEDs are safe and don't get hot. They light up the screen beautifully. It requires 3 AA batteries, which are not included. The Lite Brite Classic inspires creativity and helps develop fine motor skills. It's a great way to learn while having fun. It's perfect for kids aged 4 and up. What we like. This toy comes with 206 glowing pegs and 6 design templates to inspire creativity. It's also a great STEM learning tool. If you are looking for a toy that combines fun with learning and helps develop fine motor skills, this is perfect. What people say. It is easy to assemble and kids can bring them with them anywhere. It shines in the darkness while you put some AA batteries. Very nice product, lights shine very nicely. Totally recommend product. Number 3. Gskyer 70mm Aperture Refracting Telescope for Beginners. This telescope is designed for kids and beginners. It's perfect for anyone who wants to start exploring the stars and the moon. Featuring a 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length, this telescope provides clear and bright images. The fully coated optics ensure high light transmission, protecting your eyes while you observe. It comes with 2 eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, tripling the magnification. A 5x24 finder scope helps you easily locate celestial objects. Included is a smartphone adapter and a wireless remote. This allows you to easily capture images and share your amazing discoveries with others. The adjustable tripod and included carry bag make it easy to transport and set up. This makes it ideal for travel and storage, so you can take it anywhere. Buy with confidence from a leading manufacturer. This telescope is a great choice for anyone interested in astronomy. What we like. This telescope features superior optics, a wireless remote, and an adjustable tripod. It's perfect for exploring the stars and moon. If you have a budding astronomer or enjoy observing the night sky, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Setup was quick and painless, taking less than 15 minutes to assemble right out of the box. The 70mm aperture delivers surprisingly bright and crisp views of the moon's craters, and I've even managed to spot Jupiter's moons and the rings of Saturn on clear nights. The included phone adapter is fantastic for quickly sharing photos of what you're seeing. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Farm Puffy Sticker Play Set. This Puffy sticker set is all about farm fun. It comes with adorable farm animal stickers and scenes. It's perfect for sparking imagination. Take this activity book anywhere. It's compact and has a handle, making it great for travel or quiet time. It keeps kids entertained wherever they go. This set helps kids learn and grow. It encourages creativity and helps develop fine motor skills. It's a fun way to learn. Looking for a gift? This sticker set is a great choice for kids ages 4 and up. It's a fun alternative to other toys and provides screen-free play. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has inspired kid-powered play. This product is made with FSC-certified materials, ensuring responsible forestry practices. It's a brand you can trust. What we like? This set includes reusable stickers and double-sided scenes for imaginative play. It's also portable and compact, making it great for on-the-go fun. If you are looking for a mess-free and engaging activity for travel or quiet time, this is a great choice. What people say? Amazing. Kept my 22-month-old entertained on a flight for way longer than anticipated. She loves pointing out the animals and making the noises. Good size as well. The stickers are good quality and still are sticky despite being pulled off and on. My son, 3 years, loved it. He played with it for a long time when he first got it. It was his prize for having to get his hair cut. It did not disappoint him. He's gone back to it a few times since. It's a good value. Cute activity. Kept him busy for a while. Loved showing me all the different stickers and talking about where they would go. Would buy it again and will probably buy a few of their other sticker books. He really liked it. The book, it's just like a big, thick birthday card. No pages, is thick and sturdy, he would have to really try to be able to rip it up. The stickers are puffy and cute and somewhat sturdy, some less than others. My daughter is learning her farm animals and their sounds. This was perfect for us to play with today. Highly recommended. Number 1. Magic Mixies Mixlings Tap and Reveal Cauldron 2-pack. With the magic wand, you can reveal the Mixlings' power. It's a fun and exciting way to discover the magic within. Get ready for a world of enchantment. Each wand activates different powers. Will you find the one that unlocks the enchanters, morphers, or flyers' gems? Or perhaps the pipette wand for the vanishers? What magical abilities does it possess? Is it an enchanter, a flyer, a morphling, a vanisher, or a spellster? The possibilities are endless, and it's up to you to find out. The cauldron reveal can be done again and again. You can make the Mixlings appear whenever you want. It's a magical experience that never gets old. Use the cauldron to store your Mixlings and other trinkets. It's a great way to keep everything organized and ready for your next magical adventure. There are over 40 Mixlings to discover in Series 1. Start your collection today and create your own world of magic. It's a fun and exciting way to play. What we like? This toy uses a magic wand to reveal surprise Mixlings with different magical powers. It's also a collectible item with multiple characters to discover. If you like the element of surprise and enjoy collecting toys, this is a must-have. What people say? Since it is a 2-pack, I believe that they are supposed to have 2 different types of magic Mixlings. What I mean by the type of magic Mixlings is the ability it has. For example, there are the vanishers. These Mixlings are color-changing figures that change with cold water. Another example is the flyers, which uses a magnet to flick out the wings of the Mixlings. The wings can easily be pushed back into the Mixling and activated again with the magnet wand that the toy provides. There are 5 types of magic Mixlings. In addition, after you open the container with the wand, you can reset it so it is closed once again and requires you to use the magnetic wand to open it. You are also able to lock your container by reinserting the pin in the back of the toy. It is a cute set, and she had fun opening it to find out what characters she got. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.